also do Chickenhood. And so our journey began in 2018. I was 7.
And I was 6.
So we first started off with 10 animals who survived a fire. And then we started rescuing more animals and more. And then we started getting chickens. We started off with 9, and then we got another 50. And then we decided, hey, since we have chickens, why don't we just start a business? So then we went online, we picked our name, and then we started rescuing more hens who were going to get butchered and ones who we could use for our business. So
then we would also rescue ones from hatcheries, and also we would rescue ducks and other birds, which also includes roosters.
So we also so for our motto is no slaughter, only laughter. So what we mean by that is, since other farms use spent hens, and that means when the hens are are 2 years old or older, then they just kill them without letting them live a full happy life. And if they get roosters, they'll also kill the roosters as soon as they find out. But here we have our own pens for older hens, and they coexist with the younger hens, and our older hens are 5 years old. Our roosters, we also rescued batches of roosters, and they are still alive today. Big group of all these cages, and they can go outside and spend some time in the sun over there too.